Alright, so in modeling integers, we can use the charged field model. So basically what the charged field model is we have one positive chip with a positive inside, and we have one negative chip with a negative side. So, for example, I have two positives, then I have one negative. Alright, the next thing we need to go over are zero pairs. What a zero pair is when a positive and a negative are together, they cancel out. So, for example, if I have two positives and I have two negatives, that cancels out. Alright, so for our first example, we'll do 3 plus 4 equals. So I have 3 positive plus 4 positive. So let's show that. So I have 1, 2, 3 plus 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, so let's count them all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 3 positives plus 4 positives equals 7 positives.
So now for the charge field model, we're going to practice a couple more. We're going to do, let's do 5 plus 2 equals. So we're going to bring 5 plus, and then 2 over here. So we have 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, plus 2, 1, 2. And then what we're going to do is we're going to add them up and total them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we have 7. 7. So 5 plus 2 equals 7.
So for an example, we have 3 positive plus 1 positive. So I'll show. So I have 3 positives plus 1 positive. So 3 plus 1, so I have 1, 2, 3 plus 1 equals 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So my final answer would be positive 4 because I have 4 positive chips. Alright.
Now we're going to practice doing zero pairs with subtraction. The way we do this is we're going to do 6 plus minus 3 equals. So the way we do this is we're going to get 6 plus the 6 positives, and then we're going to add 3 negative. So what's going to happen here is we're going to have zero pairs here that we have to actually cancel out. So we're going to cancel out 3 zero pairs. So we're going to cancel out 1 zero pair, 2 zero pair, and 3 zero pair. So that leaves us with 3 positive. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3. So 6 plus minus 3 equals 3. Okay, now we're going to do a negative plus a positive problem. So let's do negative 3 plus 4, and that equals. So what we're going to do is we have 3 negative that we're going to have 1, 2, 3, and then we're going to add 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So what we need to do is we're going to cancel out the zero pairs because we have negative 3 plus 4. So we're going to cancel out this negative, or this zero pair, this zero pair, and this 0 pair. And they no longer matter. So minus 3 plus 4 equals 1. We have 1 left, 1 positive.
Alright, so another example would be, I have 3 positive plus 2 negatives. So line it up like 1, 2, 3, plus 1, 2. Now as you can see, we have 2 0 pairs. Here's 1, and there's 2. After the 0 pairs are canceled out, we have 1. So 3 plus negative 2 equals 1. Alright, so now let's do a subtraction problem. So I have negative 3 minus 8. So let's show negative 3. 1, 2, 3. I can't take negative 3 away from 8. So what I have to do is, I have to add negative here, but I also have to add a positive for a 0 pair. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So now I have negative 3 minus 8. So now what I can do is I can take all of these away because they cancel out because I have a 0 pair with the negatives. So now I can do it. So I have negative 3 minus 8, which is negative 3 plus negative 8. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So I have minus 11.
Okay, so now we're going to do another minus negative numbers and show that one more time. I'm going to do another problem. Let's see. Let me do negative 2 minus negative 4. And that equals, we'll find that out. So what we're going to do is we're going to take 2 negative, 1, 2, and then we're going to add, what we have to do is we can't take 4 away from 2, so what we have to do is add 4 0 pairs. So let's see, so we're going to do 1 pair, 2 pair, 3 pair, and 4 pair. So now this is set up a little bit easier now for us. So what we're going to do is we have negative 2, which is 1, 2 here, and now we have 4 0 pairs. So what we can do is all we have to do now is just take away the positive, and then we're going to see how many negatives we have left. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 negative. So minus 2 minus negative 4 would be negative, let's count, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it would be negative 6. Audit. What is 1 plus 1 equal?
2.
Oh, awesome! It equals 2. What do you say?